Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2013. And some of the highlights upcoming over the next 5 to 7 days. We do have some snow shower activity out there tonight, and that will be tapering off during the day on Wednesday. And there is another round of accumulating snow possible Friday into Friday night associated with a little Alberta clipper that will be running across the upper Great Lakes region. And then that snowfall should come to an end on Saturday, and then we may be looking at another system for the early part of next week. The recent rainfall and warm temperatures have also pushed some rivers out of their banks across the region, especially across northern and lower Michigan, and some areas, particularly along the Rifle River Basin. And Aranac County has experienced some flooding down there due to some of the recent rain on snowmelt. Looking at the current weather map, we have a cold front that is cutting across the upper Great Lakes region attached to an area of low pressure over eastern Canada, and that's been responsible for the fairly widespread snow shower activity during the day today, and that will continue into tonight before high pressure builds in for Wednesday and allows snow showers to begin to taper off. It looks like a fairly quiet day expected on Thursday. And then we see low pressure on this map located over the northern high plains and adjacent to the Canadian Rockies. And that will be working its way into the region later Thursday night and into Friday. And that will spread another band of snowfall across the region, particularly Friday night. Right now, there's still some uncertainty as to the exact track of this system, which will have an impact on which areas see the heavier snowfall totals, and may also impact precipitation type on the front end, especially Friday afternoon across parts of central lower Michigan, where enough warm air may get into the system where precipitation starts out as rain or a mix of rain and snow. So there's still a fair bit of uncertainty with this clipper, and a very small shift in the track is going to have a huge difference in which areas see the most impacts from this. So stay tuned to later forecasts as we kind of refine the details of this potential snow event for the end of the week. Here's a look at the 3-day precipitation total forecast. This runs from 8 p.m. tonight through 8 p.m. on Friday. And you see a band of 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of liquid precipitation extending from the Dakotas across northern Minnesota and into the western parts of the UP. That's associated with the clipper system that will come in on Friday. And if we can extend that precipitation off to the east into Friday night, and most of that will come in the form of snowfall. So several inches appear to be in the offing at this point for a good chunk of northern Michigan from Friday afternoon through Friday night. So the main hazards upcoming over the next several days, other than the snow shower activity tonight, as I mentioned, some snowmelt flooding due to the recent rainfall and warm temperatures on some area of rivers and creeks, and then another band of accumulating snow is expected to impact the region Friday and into Friday night. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected around 5 a.m. Wednesday morning.